Unlock the power of seamless communication by integrating Telnyx with Retell AI, boosting your conversational AI capabilities. First, log into your Telnyx account and navigate to the API Keys section. If you already have one, skip to step 3. Otherwise, click Create API Key. Give your API key a descriptive name like Retell Integration. This will help you identify it later. Select the permission scopes necessary for Retell to function, such as call control and number management, and then click Generate API Key. Copy your new API key and your Telnyx secret. Store them securely, as you will need them in the next step. Now, log into your Retell AI account and navigate to the Integration section or Account Settings. Find the Telnyx Integration option, paste the Telnyx API key and Telnyx secret you saved earlier into the corresponding fields, and then click Save or Connect. Retell AI will verify your credentials. Once the integration is successful, you'll see a confirmation message. Congratulations! Your Telnyx account is now connected to Retell AI, enabling enhanced conversational AI experiences.